This table shows a proportional relationship between the number of cups of lemonade and strawberry juice used for strawberry lemonade. Enter the number of cups of lemonade used for 1 cup of strawberry juice. So here's our cups of lemonade and our cups of strawberry juice. If we multiply 2 1/10 times a number, and we'll call that R, or a rate of change, that will equal 4 1/5. And if we know that rate of change, it's going to help us solve this problem. So let's go ahead and extend the table. And with the extension of our table, let's read what the problem's asking for. It says, enter the number of cups of lemonade used for 1 cup of strawberry juice. So our mystery is how many cups of lemonade. But we know that if we multiply our cups of lemonade by our rate of change, it's going to be equal to 1. So let's figure out that rate of change. 2 1/10 multiplied by R equals 4 1/5. So we divide each side by 2 1/10. So we're going to write equivalent expressions here. 4 1/5 can become 21 over 5, and 2 1/10 is the same thing as 21 over 10. And so the way the problem reads, you have 21/5 divided by 21/10. We also know that that's the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. We can cross cancel to help simplify. And so our answer is 2, is equal to 2. So what that means is this: 2 1/10 times 2 equals 4 1/5, and 4 4/5 times 2 will equal 9 3/5. But here on our problem, we have this. We have lemonade times 2 equals 1. And so if we divide each side by 2, our cups of lemonade is going to be equal to a half. And so the way we could check our answer is that if we had half a cup of lemonade multiplied by our rate of change of 2, that equals 1. So enter the number of cups of lemonade. That's going to be half a cup. This is Yo-Yo Juice Sticks showing you one way to solve this problem. You may have another way. As long as it makes sense to you and makes sense to others and it's correct, then you have a great way to solve a problem.